when I was in my 20s, I was addicted to painkillers because I had a migraine or had an accident when I was a child, and I ended up with migraines. And I was so addicted that I walked into a chiropractor's office and said, if you don't help me, I'm going to die. And he did. And that was over 40 years ago. And I would thoroughly recommend any chiropractor to help you get through anything you need in life to go forward. This is just my way of telling people that it's a good thing. It's very good, and there's no medications, and it's been wonderful. I've been pain-free for years.